Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Many of you might be wondering how to play Clash of Clans directly within your Google Chrome browser. While the game itself isn't a native Chrome application, there are definitely clever and effective workarounds to get it running smoothly. This guide will walk you through the top methods that will be most relevant and reliable for playing in 2025. Get ready to enjoy your favorite village on a bigger screen, all accessed right through your browser, making those attacks even more immersive. The most common and reliable way to play Clash of Clans on your computer, accessible via Chrome, is through an Android emulator. Think of it as having a virtual Android phone running right on your desktop. You simply download and install a trusted emulator like BlueStacks or LD Player, then open up the Google Play Store inside the emulator to install Clash of Clans just as you would on any mobile device. These emulators are usually quite stable and offer excellent performance for gaming. Another exciting method, especially looking ahead to 2025, is using cloud gaming or Android app streaming services. With these, Clash of Clans runs on powerful remote servers, and you simply stream the game's visuals directly to your Chrome browser. This eliminates the need for a powerful computer yourself and avoids installing any large software. It's a fantastic option for those using Chromebooks or older machines, providing a seamless gaming experience without any local strain. Before you dive in, a few important points to consider. Always make sure your Clash of Clans account is securely linked to a Supercell ID or Google Play Games. This prevents any loss of your valuable progress. If you're using a cloud streaming service, a stable and fast internet connection is absolutely crucial for a smooth, lag-free experience. For emulator users, ensure your computer meets the recommended system requirements for optimal performance. Following these tips will make your Clash of Clans journey much more enjoyable. So, as you can see, playing Clash of Clans on your Google Chrome browser in 2025 is not only possible, but also quite straightforward. Whether you opt for a robust Android emulator or a convenient cloud streaming service, both options provide a fantastic way to enjoy your favorite game on a larger screen. Pick the method that best fits your system and internet connection, and get ready to command your troops and build your legendary village. Happy clashing, everyone!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.